Are you keen to add a small pond or water feature but don't have access to mains power?
The PS Solar Pump Kit range from PondMAX is a simple and budget-friendly solution.
There are 4 pump and panel kits in the range that are designed for small to medium features that don't have fish.
Everything you need to set the pump up is included in the box. Pump, cable, solar panel, and a range of accessories that varies with the models.
This means that if you already have a pond, you can be up and running in less than 5 minutes.
Setup couldn't be simpler. Select a sunny spot for your panel and position with the included stakes. Pop the pump in your pond, run the lead back to your panel and plug in, and that's it, apart from trying the different fountain heads and outlets to see what works for you.
All you need is sun for the panel, not an expensive new exterior power point, and they're ideal if you want a water feature in a remote corner of the yard or on your deck or your balcony. And if you're renting, they're the perfect choice because you can just pack them up and they move with you.
With passing clouds, a solar pump will have a variable flow, and it won't run after dark, of course, but PondMAX have the solution. Add an optional backup battery power unit that suits your pump and the kit will generate and store its own backup power. PondMAX, for gardens that go the extra yard.